YouTube a while back and I saw somebody use a Sharpie on some tights and I thought, maybe I could save myself $11 and just use my red Sharpie on these white nylons and see how that turns out. So obviously you can tell that I decided to spend the $11 and get these ones. But I thought you guys would like to see what it looks like to make the red and white striped nylons with a Sharpie marker. In my opinion, it's not really worth the effort because it bleeds. So a lot of the white area, you get fingerprints. Like, you have to be so careful, and then you have to stretch it as well, otherwise it doesn't cover it evenly. I feel like if you are trying to make a creepy Raggedy Ann, this is the way to go. I decided to go with these ones. I'll put a link in the description. I got these off of Amazon for $11. You can't just go out to the store and buy them, so I spent the $11 and I don't regret it because they're awesome. I also, while I don't want to use these, I don't regret trying it because, you know, it was a learning experience. If you have an insane amount of time on your hands and you want a creepy pair of nylons to go with a costume, this is a great way to do it, but it takes a long time. And in my opinion, it's not necessarily worth it. Let me know what you think about my creepy baby nylons. And yeah, stay tuned. Keep checking back because I will be doing a vlog about the Raggedy Ann costume back there, which I absolutely adore. And yeah, have a great day. Thank you.